Hello, my name is Nicholas Evans, and I did my slideshow on mechanical engineering because that's the major that I've chosen and the career path that I would like to take. So, why I chose mechanical engineering? I chose it because I like to work on engines and I like doing physics problems. One time my car broke down. Well, it kind of broke. My engine was knocking, and I looked up what might be wrong with it, and I took it to Firestone, and they said it was an internal problem. So I looked at how much it would cost for them to do it, and they said it would be about $3,000. So I was like, I don't know if I'm going to be paying $3,000 for that. So I asked one of my family friends, that worked on cars, if he could help me out, and he said, yeah, I can get you the parts for about $500. So, as we all know, $500 is less than $3,000, so I went with that option, and I ended up getting to work on the engine, and it was like one of the most enjoyable experiences of my life. I really liked getting to take it apart, see how everything worked, and put it all back together, and then the satisfaction of starting it up afterwards was really worth it in the end. And then I like doing physics problems. I also got that from my high school career. My teacher, or my physics teacher in high school, really gave me a good entry into physics and made me enjoy it, not only for the satisfaction of getting a problem right, but for truly understanding how it works and stuff. And then I also wanted to choose mechanical engineering because it's a diverse field with many applications. So I know that there's many applications for mechanical engineering. You can go into just about any field, and I like that about it because I want to be able to do everything to give me a wider span of jobs that I could be applicable to when I go into the workforce. So, speaking of jobs, large companies such as Northrop Grumman, Denso, and ORNL are hiring for mechanical engineers, and lots of opportunities are available for mechanical engineers in the workforce because the field has so many applications to the real world. So, large companies normally mean that the field is a good, widespread thing, and that many people are looking to hire you, and all of those are great companies, and I'm actually hoping to go into Denso or maybe Northrop Grumman at some point. So that's exciting to hear about, and as I mentioned earlier, mechanical engineering is a very large field, so there's many applications for it. Another reason that I chose it is because of the salary. So I looked it up, and the mechanical engineers make about $50,000 to $120,000 on average, and that's from like entry level to more advanced positions. So I definitely want to, as I say, provide for a family in the future, and I feel like mechanical engineering will be able to help me do that monetarily, which is definitely one of my top priorities. Well, thank you, and have a good day.